Hello students, in this video we are going to solve the textbook exercise for chapter number 9. The chapter name is Reproduction in Animals, class 8, subject Science, NCERT. So here let me start with the question number 1. First question is, explain the importance of reproduction in organisms. So the importance are given to you. The first point in that is reproduction is essential for the continuation of a species. For the continuations of the species, the reproduction is necessary. Next is it ensures the continuation of similar kinds of individuals generation after generation. To produce the similar kind of individuals, the reproduction is necessary for generation after the generation. Next is describe the process of fertilization in human being. So there is the sexual reproduction in human beings. The male reproductive organ produce sperms, that is also known as the male gametes, while the female gametes produce ova, or it is known as the female gametes, and the sperms are ejected inside the female bodies where they fuse with ovum and forms zygote, which is also called as the internal fertilization, and the zygote begins to develop into an embryo which attaches to the female uterus wall. This embryo is attached to the female uterus wall, and the embryo further multiplies into many cells and develops further into a small baby which is called foetus. So this is how the fertilization process is there in the human beings. Next is question number 3. Choose the most appropriate answer. The first one in that is internal fertilization occurs in female body, outside the female body. Next is in male body or outside the male body. So here the answer is given to you. Internal fertilization occurs in female body. Answer is option A. Next is a tadpole develops into an adult frog by the process of, the options are fertilization, metamorphosis, embedding and budding. So your answer is option B, metamorphosis. Next is the number of nuclei present in a zygote is none, 1, 2 or 4. So the number of nuclei present in a zygote is 1. Our answer is option B or option 2. Next question is question number 4. Write true or false. That first one is oviparous animals give birth to young ones. So your answer is false. They not give the birth to the young ones. Next is each sperm is a single cell. Answer is true. Then after external fertilization takes place in frog. Again your answer is true. Next is a new human individual develops from a cell called gametes. Your answer is false. Next is egg laid after fertilization is made up of a single cell. Your answer is true. Next is amoeba reproduces by budding. Your answer is false. Fertilization is necessary even in asexual reproduction. False. Next is binary fission is a method of asexual reproduction. Yes, your answer is true. Next is a zygote is formed as a result of fertilization. Your answer is true. Last one is an embryo is made up of a single cell. Your answer is false. Next question number 5 is give two difference between a zygote and a foetus. So zygote is a single cellular whereas the foetus is a multicellular. Next is well-defined body parts are absent in zygote, whereas in foetus body parts can be identified. So this is the difference between zygote and foetus. You can write this in the column form also. Next is question number 6. Define asexual reproduction and describe two methods of asexual reproduction in animals. So asexual reproduction is a mode of reproduction in which only one parent is involved to reproduce offspring. In asexual reproduction, offsprings produced are exact copies of their parents. Here only one individual is required, and it is generally observed in very small size organism. The examples are binary fission, budding, fragmentation, etc. are the examples of a asexual reproduction. In that first one is budding. So in this mode, a part of the organism starts plugging out or start developing out, and slowly it grows and develops into a separate individuals. Examples are hydra and yeast. In binary fission, it is the type of asexual reproduction in which a single cell divides into two halves. And organisms that reproduce through binary fission are bacteria and amoeba. In amoeba, the binary fission is their mode of reproduction is binary fission. You can draw the figures also for the budding and binary fission. Next, question number 7. In which female reproductive organ does the embryo get embedded? So the embryo get embedded in the walls of uterus. Next, question number 8 is, what is the metamorphosis? Give examples. So the transformation of the larva into an adult through drastic change is called metamorphosis. Drastic change, that means major changes are there in this metamorphosis. And metamorphosis is a biological process which involves sudden and abrupt changes in the body structure of an animal by cell growth and differentiation. By the differentiation and the cell growth of the cells, you can see major change in the body of the animal. Biological process through these biological processes, and it is generally observed in the amphibians and insects. The examples are given to you, that is frogs and butterfly. Like caterpillar or silkworm transform into silkworm, and tadpole transform into an adult frog. So this is the metamorphosis. Next, question number 9. Differentiate between internal fertilization and external fertilization. So internal fertilization, fusion of male and female gametes take place inside the body. And in external fertilization, the fusion of these male and female gametes take place outside the body. Next is, in internal fertilization, less numbers of eggs are produced, and in the external fertilization, large numbers of eggs are produced. In internal fertilizations, the examples are cow, dog, human, etc. Whereas the examples of external fertilizations are there in frog and fishes. Next is question number 10. Complete the crossword puzzle using the hints given below. In across, the first one is the process of the fusion of the gametes. So it is known as the fertilization. Next is the type of fertilization in hen. So it is here the fertilization of in hen is internal fertilization. Next is the term used for bulbs observed on the sides of the body of hydra. So it is known as the buds. Next is eggs are produced here. So it is known as the ovary. Next is sperms are produced in this male reproductive organ. So that is known as the testes. Next is another term for fertilized egg. So that is known as the zygote. Next, fourth number, these animals lay eggs. The answer is oviparous. Last one is a type of fission in amoeba. The answer is binary. Here the answers are given to you: fertilization, internal buds. The next here is ovary, testes, zygote, oviparous and binary. The answer for this crossword puzzle is here. You can check your answer from here. So here our question, chapter number 9 gets over. So this is your syllabus, chapter number 1 to chapter number 9 for unit test 3, as well as for SEM 1 examination. You have to prepare textbook exercise as well as extra exercise. Anything can be asked from this all exercise in your exam. So you have to prepare from chapter 1 to chapter number 9. Thank you.